morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders all around the world. This is sound check. This is Michael, the so-called FXFreedom, formerly FX Passion here on the right. We need to change those slides. How is everybody? Yes, we are back from vacation. And it's Christmas, almost Christmas, right? 21st today, Monday, Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 21st. So 1, 2, 3 days to Christmas, everybody. How is everybody doing? Great, very good. Okay, we're back. So Trader Psychology Series Part 3, right? Remember, it's not about the chart. It's about how you and me, we're all the same. It's about how we interpret the chart, and we're talking about psychology and beliefs, right? So you are looking at the chart, you know, something like this with your systems and strategies and whatever. This morning we had Canadian news, and you might be thinking, oh, this trade is going to work, right? Or you might be thinking, oh, this trade, it's really not going to work. Or you might be thinking, oh, this is a low probability trade. Or you might be thinking, oh, this is a great trade. So all of those are beliefs. Hello, Clara, how are you? Merry Christmas to you too. Julius, are you here? Julius, hedge fund trader Julius. We had a class before and we talked about exactly, you know, oh, I know what I should do, but I'm not doing it. And boss, occasionally I am able to make some pips and money, but I'm not profitable at all. Can you relate to this, everybody? I can relate to this. I've been there a long time. I was making money, losing money, making money, losing money, making money, losing money for 5 years. Make sense? Hello, Allah, how are you? Hello, Julius. Julius, what did you learn today about psychology and beliefs? Everybody, Julius is in the private classes of the Forex course 101 and is transitioning in January. He's going to go with Sila into the advanced course. But today, this morning, Julius was, oh, I want to go long on AUD-CAD, right? I can relate to it. What did you learn, Julius? What can you share with the community, Julius, talking about psychology and beliefs? Clara, it's crazy. Clara, believe me, if you can come to the advanced institutional trader course, everything is going to be clear to you. This profession, it happens all the time when people come to the advanced course. This profession, it's not what most of you think it is. Make sense? We think that it's charts and it's strategies and it's indicators, you know. We think that everything that you are seeing right now, everybody, you think that this is going to make you money. I mean, we are using charts, we are using indicators, we are trading the market, but all of those things are irrelevant. Make sense? If I don't have my heart, talking about emotions, and my mind, make sense? In the right place. Why? Because, Julius, be honest, right? Okay, I mean, I'm honest, I know that you're honest, but still, you know, type in the chat, what can you share today, you know? Everybody, we were looking, me and Julius this morning, we were looking at Julius was, and we are all the same, makes sense? It's just because you can relate more to Julius. Can we actually make money in the market? Sure. Sure you can. Where are the numbers? Numbers don't lie, right? Numbers don't lie. Clara, those are the numbers. My FX book, third party verified. See Clara here? Okay, 2015. Show me your real account. You all want, when you come into the advanced institutional trader program, you are going to see my accounts, alright? Fair enough? You know, you need to earn it. Make sense? Everybody wants the Lambo. You need to earn the Lambo. See, Clara? This is my FX book. And this is from 2015. I was doing this for you. Not for you, Clara, but for most of the students who are crying, oh, it's a demo account doesn't feel good, demo account doesn't feel like real account. If you can do this on the demo account, everybody, you can do this on the live account. Trading is a skill, right? Clara, can you see the numbers? If you want to listen to shaky trades, it's okay, just check the numbers. So profit, talking about consistency, right? Profitable, negative, loser, February loser, but then profitable, 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 and this is a skill. 2016, profitable, 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 profitable all the way long, and then I stopped, right? You know, I stopped in here, everybody. Somewhere in here. 16, 17, whatever, right? This was me hedging, doing something, you know. But this would be, those are the numbers of, just an example, you know. No, everybody, you know, I'm not the best, far from being the best, but I'm not also the, you know, the worst, right? 4%. I mean, this is the industry standard. This was exceptional here, but this is the average. Make sense? Professional money managers, on average, we make between 0.5% per month up to 3, 4, 5, whatever. This is the average. You know, the super traders, which I am not, you know, I'm like most of you guys and girls, you know, the average trader, you know, makes from 0.5% to 3% to 5%, you know, this is the average. Okay, so those are the numbers. Why I'm showing you the numbers, you know, me telling you, oh, it's possible, it's one thing. Me showing you, you know, it's another thing, right? Julius, one of the things I learned is that I should trade what I see in the chart exactly. Exactly. This was AUD CAD, this is still AUD CAD, monthly chart. And Julius said, oh, I am going to buy this market long term. Okay? There is no right or wrong, and again we clarified that buying the market long term or buying a retracement, those are two different things. And then me and Julius, we talked, and I was telling Julius, it's 1 + 1 + 1 is 3. Don't trade from what you think is going to happen, trade from what you see. Right? How many of us think that, oh, this market could go up or should go up or must go up? Right? And learning about beliefs, you know, we have 7 indicators: short-term downtrend, market wave, Fibonacci's, whatever, you know, telling us to go down, and we have just one bullish candle, you know. So you have 7 tools telling you to go short. The bears are winning for 7 points, and the bulls, they have only this one, you know, 1 point for the bull, the bullish engulfing candle. Make sense, everybody? It's not about the chart. I mean, I should probably make it better. it's not just about the chart, right? It's how I interpret the chart. What are my beliefs? Is the etiquette going to go up or is the etiquette going to go down? See everybody, it's a belief. When you trade, you put more risk on some trades, you put less risk on other trades. Right? It's a belief. I believe that this market, this is a great entry. I have a counter trend line breaking here, bearish candle or candlestick formation. I believe this market is going to fall. So as he's gone, God bless him, he's gone now, God bless him, one of my mentors, Dr. Van Tarp, he was saying, it's not about the chart, it's about your beliefs. It's how you interpret the chart. And number two, what action you take upon your interpretation of the chart. And again, we're talking about beliefs. If you believe that this is $1 million trade going to short the market, then you are going to put a lot of risk. If you believe that this trade is risky, right? Let's have some fun. Let's make a test, right? Tell me, what do you think about euro dollar? Is it going to go up or down? And then we are going to have fun. We're going to enter the market. Okay. Everybody, you are seeing the chart, euro dollar right now with the Fibonacci's and everything. Type in the chat, who in here believes that this market is going to go up? And who in here believes that this market is going to go down? And next week we are going to see the results. Yes, right now. Oh, this is so difficult. It's not. It's not. This is what Julius was learning this morning. 1 + 1 + 1 is 3. Don't trade what you think is going to happen. Trade what you see. Jeff says down. Anybody else thinks that this market is going to go down? And one more time, just to be clear everybody, we are talking about today. So starting from today until next Thursday, who in here thinks that this market is going to go down? Seeing what you are seeing right now. 1 + 1 + 1 is 3. Don't trade what you think is going to happen, trade what you see. The trend is up for now, Gary says. Yes, very good, excellent, I agree with you. Who in here thinks that today, so this is the setup, right? Boss, can you draw a counter trend line? Yes, we can. So maybe not the perfect one, but starting from here, it's difficult, I should not cross I'm going to break so let's start from here, right? Maybe not the perfect example, but let me see if I can make it thicker. The trend line, I must not break bodies or candles, or give it a second. Let's zoom in. It's not going to go, still need to. Anyways, if this will be like that, then okay, let's leave it like in here, right? Alas is up. See everybody, what you are experiencing right now, it's a mindset. Make sense? You are trading your beliefs. This is the chart. You are seeing an indicator, MACD, which is doing some strange things, right? You are seeing the original Fibonacci pointing down. You are seeing the yellow market wave, right? Yellow market wave. The market wave is broken, so we have the first up extension leg, yellow one. then you are seeing the short-term downtrend, I mean uptrend, sorry, short-term uptrend, you know, high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low, something like this. You are seeing a potential counter trend line break. You are seeing bearish, not bullish, you are seeing bearish candlestick formations, right? And now you must make a decision. Exactly, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, right? Boss, what's the difference if we enter right now or tomorrow? It's all the same. It's not all the same. Everybody, in the Forex course 101 you are learning two basic things, right? Two basic things, okay? Number one, how to determine direction, and number two is timing. This is what is the Forex course 101 all about. Some of you are entering the advanced course, the institutional trader course next year, right? So this is the understanding and the learning. How to determine direction, whatever you say, sure, you know, I believe this market is going to fall long term. I believe this market is going to go up short term. See, I believe. And then you are so it's about direction, and then you are talking about timing. I believe this market is going to fall. Okay, very good. Is now the right time for me to enter the market? And talking about trade what you see, no, trade what you see, and trade what you see, everybody, it's psychological, it's not technical. Trade what you see, you are using this skill when you talk about direction, and still when you're talking about timing. Make sense? Boss, what do you mean about timing? Timing, the mindset about timing goes, you know, if we look right now at euro dollar daily chart, is now the right time to short the market? Everybody? And the same goes for the traders who want to buy. Is now the right time to buy the market? So let's talk about counter trend line in here, right, to go long, and counter trend line to go short. Here is the question. It doesn't really matter long or short. Can you enter the market right now? Somebody just type, boss, I don't know. Well, count how many tools, indicators, reasons do you have to go short right now? Everybody, how many? 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So timing, this is the formula. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, not 4, not 2. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So how many reasons do you have to go short right now? How many points do you give to the bears right now? And how many points do you give to the bulls right now? Type in the chat, everybody. Bulls 2 points, bears 1 point, or bulls 0 points, bears 1 point, whatever. What we are trying to do, everybody, today, we are trying to understand that I should not trade from what I think is going to happen. I should trade from what I see. Make sense? Nobody's going to give you millions of dollars Not even me. Make sense? Nobody's going to give you millions of dollars to trade if you are trade from, oh, let's short this market because I think that this market is going to fall. Well, based on what? Or, oh, I think this market is going to go up. Well, based on what? How do you know that this market, oh, it's in an uptrend. Very good. So, see everybody talking about timing, right? Talking about timing, bulls. Okay. Yes, it's also direction, but okay, bulls, 1 point for the bulls, uptrend, uptrend. See how this goes? Uptrend. I'm going to buy the market because this market it's an uptrend. If I buy the market right now, everybody, it's 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, or I am buying the market because I think that this market is going to continue to go up. And let's use two words, everybody. Type in the chat, if I buy the market right now, am I trading with reason or am I trading with fantasy? Type in the chat, reason or fantasy. Yes sir, uptrend is just one. But still, some of you want to short the market right now. 1 point for the bears. Why? We have 1 point for the bulls. We're still in an uptrend. What is the point for the bears? Oh, bearish candlestick formation. Okay, very good. Bearish candlestick formation. 1 point for the bears. So 1 point for the bulls. Right, 1 point for the bears. Bears, bearish candlestick formation. Bearish CF, bearish candlestick formation. Clara says reason, very good. Clara, and if I say I'm going to short the market right now, and everybody else, if I short the market right now, everybody, am I shorting the market with reason or am I shorting the market with fantasy? What do you think, Clara, Julius, Ala, Gary, Jeff, and everybody else online? What do you think? Somebody just typed, not on YouTube, on the other streaming platform, somebody just typed, oh, I'm already in the market short. There is no right or wrong, okay, because I don't know what strategy did you use, but from the daily standpoint, if you are shorting euro dollar right now, did you enter with reason or did you enter with fantasy or from fantasy? Forex course 101, everybody, you need to learn this stuff, and then you have a transition period, makes sense, from an analyst to a trader. Some of you are shorting the market already, different strategies, but if you shorted the market, did you enter with... See in here, everybody? Let's make another example. Maybe I can explain to you better. So this was euro dollar before, right? Okay, you had this one and you had this one. This was back in time, right? Okay, you have a down Fibonacci, but you have the uptrend. You have the contrarian too. Fibonacci retracement, orange ghost. So this would be the next Fibonacci. 127. Okay. Okay, Fibonacci out. See everybody in here? How many of us, me too, we're all the same. How many of us shorted the market in here? Clara, fantasy, exactly. How many of you, everybody, would short the market in here? Type in the chat me. I'm shorting the euro dollar from fantasy. Very good. Congratulations, you're getting it. If I short the market right now, remember everybody, timing and direction. Make sense? You are analyzing the monthly chart, you are analyzing the weekly chart, you are analyzing the daily chart, and you say, okay, in my opinion, based on indicators 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, I believe this market euro dollar is going to fall. So number one, check. Number two, timing. How is timing related to 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3? Okay, let's count. Points for the bulls and points for the bears. Points for the bears and points for the bulls, right? Okay. And what you are hearing right now and seeing on your computer, everybody, this comes to us psychologically. It's not technical, make sense? It's how we interpret the chart. So talking about timing, points for the bears. Maybe not the best, but still bearish, bearish, bearish. Candlestick formation, right? And counter trend line break, aggressive counter trend line break, right? So the bears have 2 points. What about the bulls? Well, point for the bulls, the market is in an uptrend, right? Uptrend, and so the market's making higher highs, higher lows, and market still above trend lines. See everybody? When you and me, we're all the same, we are learning in the same way. When we shorted the market in here, you know, how many points? We have bearish candlestick formation, kind of, maybe not the perfect one, and we have the aggressive counter trend line break. Agreed? And the MACD didn't quite cross. So the black line didn't cross the red one. Yeah, but it's falling. Yes, it's reversing, but it didn't cross. No signal. Hello Tommy, how are you? No signal so far, no signal. Make sense? Agreed everybody? But talking about bulls, oh, I want to buy the market right now. Well, I'm still in an uptrend, right? Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Okay? And the market, even the market broke the aggressive uptrend line, the market didn't break this one and especially this one. And here is the golden nugget between the bearish Julius, this is for you, and everybody else, but we had a class with Julius this morning, between the counter trend line break and a bearish candlestick formation or a candle and the short-term uptrend. Who is stronger? Somebody type, oh, I did this. Welcome to the club. This is how we learn. In the advanced course, you are not going to like this, everybody. In the advanced course, I'm going to require for you to journal. And you are going to journal, oh, this is a great setup. I have a counter trend line break and a bearish candle or maybe candlestick formation, and MACD is you turning. I believe this currency pair, this market is going to fall. I believe. This is going to be in your journal. But Forex Course 101, as Julius just typed in, the Forex Course 101, we taught you the short-term uptrend is stronger. So you entered the market, you know, you didn't put the stop loss above the A of the Fibonacci. You are smart, you put the stop loss above the candle, right? Because, or you are smart, me too, we are smart, or because maybe we are afraid, you know, because we know what education is telling us, but we are not listening to the education, right? And then what happened? Bam! We were stopped out. How many of you can relate to this, everybody? How many of you are still fighting trends on the 15-minute chart, 1-hour chart, 2-hour chart, daily chart? Tommy says, I think the euro dollar get down and after the next Fed decision more. How do you know? Great post, Tommy, thank you very much. Everybody, you can please share your thoughts. Okay? But Tommy says, I think euro dollar is going to get down. I think. Everybody, the Forex market, it's 90% technical, right? So, and I've done this too, makes sense, you know, there is an interest rate, they're going to increase, whatever they're going to do, you know, and I said, oh, I'm going to short the market because the market is going to fall, or I think euro dollar get down and after the next Fed decision more. So if I short the market right now, this is me trading not with reason, I'm trading with fantasy. Clara says, me, I can relate to this. Make sense, everybody? Never forget, one of the biggest struggles from a beginner trader to become to a, then slowly, right, in the advanced course, you become advanced trader and finally you transition to a professional, it's timing, right? NZD CAD. NZD CAD weekly chart. NZD CAD weekly chart. You know, the market is telling you, the market is showing you that it's making lower lows, market wave, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, right? So this is direction. But if you short the market, and this is timing now, if you short the market in here, you are going to lose. Tommy says, thank you, you're welcome. Shorting the market, and you had the opportunity to short the market, everybody, right? So I'm going to go just on the daily. So this is the weekly market wave. This is the weekly market wave, right? And you are counter trend line breaking here, trying to short the market. Counter trend line breaking here, trying to short the market. Oh, this market is going to fall. Counter trend line breaking here with the bearish engulfing candle, trying to short the market. Counter trend line breaking here. See how this goes, everybody? This is the chart, right? And you do the first counter trend line breaking here. You know, the market's making higher highs, higher lows. You subconsciously, you are not aware that subconsciously you are going against the trend and you lost. And there is another one. Oh, now this time this market is going to reverse. You know, and you have a bearish candlestick formation, counter trend line break, and subconsciously you are still fighting the trend, the uptrend, and you lose again. And there is, of course, I mean, come on, you know, this must beat, you know, I have a bearish candlestick formation with a counter trendline break at past resistance in here. How many of you can relate? I can relate to this. I've done this 20 years ago, everybody. I've been doing this for years. Make sense? Somebody said, oh, what? Are you stupid? No, we are not stupid. This is psychology. Make sense? I shorted the market in here. I lost. I shorted the market in here and I lost because I believe, I think this market is going to go down. And when I say, well, I believe this market is going to go down, and I'm talking about direction. And talking about direction, I am right? Because I can see it on the chart. Market wave, extension, retracement, extension. The market's falling down. I can see it on the chart. So I'm right on that direction, but I'm losing pips and money because of wrong timing. You know, this market's going to fall. It's down. You know, the Fibonacci is down. The MACD, stochastic, Ichimoku, you know, the super JP Morgan unicorn reborn robot is telling me to short the market. And I lost once, I lost twice, and now, I mean, come on, right? Bearish engulfing candle, counter trendline break at past resistance. Are you kidding me? This is a winner. Type in the chat, everybody, when I'm saying to myself, this is a winner, am I entering the market from reason, or am I'm entering the market from fantasy? And golden nugget for you today, start journaling and put in your journal the question, you know, am I entering with reason, and print a picture of the chart, or am I entering from or with, I don't know what is the correct vocabulary, am I entering from fantasy? I'm in fantasy land. This is it. This is the $1 million trade. I'm going to put 20% risk in here because I want the Lambo, right? You must earn it. You must earn the things, everybody. Type in the chat. I'm entering here. Listen to my self-talk. I'm going to enter here because this is a winner. When I say this is a winner, remember, everybody, this is psychology. I lost once and I lost twice. And in the previous lessons we talked about the mind trap, that I want to be right. I want to be right, goddammit! You can laugh, not a problem. I lost once, this market is going to fall. I lost twice, this market is going to fall. Because I can see it on the weekly chart, making lower lows, lower highs. I can see it on the chart. This market is going to fall. And here I'm telling myself, this is my self-talk, oh, this is a winner. Am I entering with reason, or am I entering from fantasy? Somebody's great, excellent. Somebody's questioning me. Boss, but we do have a counter trendline break. Yes, we do. Boss, we do have a bearish engulfing candle. Yes, we do. Boss, we are at past resistance. Yes, we are. Forex course 101, between the counter trendline break, bearish candle or candlestick formation, and past resistance and the uptrend, who is stronger? Boss, this is technical. The execution The execution, it's not technical, everybody. You must get this straight. You are not going anywhere. Good news, bad news. What is the bad news? You are never going to make it. No, I'm not joking. I'm just being honest. You can call me rude. Okay? Oh, you are so rude. I don't care. This is the truth. You are never going to make it until you understand and accept that the execution is psychological. It's not technical. This is why, and me too, back in time, we're all the same. This is why we come crying to our mentors. Oh, I know what I should do, but I'm not doing it. Make sense? I've been doing this for years. Yes, in the advanced course you are going to learn institutional tools, how to fight, all of this, exactly. Never forget, learning how to trade is a skill. You can learn this, not a problem. Okay? Julius says fantasy, Tommy says yes, exactly. Who is stronger? The uptrend, the short-term uptrend is stronger. So I'm going to short the market in here and I lost again. You know? And finally, everybody, you know, I got my scars, right? And finally, when the market reverses the daily uptrend, right? I lost once, twice, I lost the third time, the perfect setup, right? And then finally when the market, so this would be the one counter trend line from the daily, and this way of thinking and feeling, everybody, applies to all currency pairs and all time frames. It's not just the daily. We are showing you this to be easier for you to see, but we are behaving like this also on the 15-minute chart, 30-minute chart, 1 hour chart, 2 hour chart, 5 hour, whatever chart makes sense, 4 hour chart. Yes, 15-minute works exactly the same. You are going against the trend most of the time. Now I got my scars, and now when it's time for me to short the market, I am not confident anymore. I'm scared because I've seen the counter trend line breaks 1, 2, 3, 4 times. You know, I got burned 5 times, and now this is maybe the most important thing for you to understand. And now when something like this happens, everybody, I'm going to delete this one. When I have a counter trend line breaking here like this with the bearish candlestick formation, I am not going to enter the market. Makes sense? Because I am scared. Okay, and I'm seeing this market, even though it changed trend direction, I'm seeing past support now on the left. It goes in reverse too. I entered shorting the market 5 times in an uptrend. I lost 1, 2, twice, 3 times. Make sense? I lost 3 times, and now that the market finally changed the trend direction, the market finally, it's not making higher highs, higher lows anymore, it's making lower lows, lower highs. Finally, I should start shorting the market. My emotions are going to get, I'm going to get scared because I'm saying, oh my gosh, this is past support, this market is going to go up. And I'm seeing down here, oh my gosh, this is past support again, this market is going to go up. Make sense? Boss, why are we like this? Because we are humans, everybody. Makes sense? Our brain is wired to perceive exactly the wrong things. Everybody. This happens to everybody. Don't tell me no, I've been there, felt that, done that. Now it's time for me to short the market. I'm seeing past support and I'm not shorting the market. Make sense? I'm going to stay out. So in conclusion, I'm going to trade in some direction when it's not the correct time to trade in this direction, and I'm going to stay out exactly when it's the time to take action. So we shouldn't be surprised, everybody, when we are not making it make sense. Pat yourself on the back and try to understand this is when we learn how to trade. This is completely normal. I don't like it, boss. Nobody likes it, but this is normal. This is how our brain is wired. Make sense? And please accept that it's psychological. It's not technical. The execution is psychological. And good news, you are going to learn the tools in the Advanced Institutional Trader course, which is not for free. We are looking for traders. You are going to learn all the tools and everything you need in order to win. Clara says that means that the market don't respect our strategy. Is the market who doesn't respect our strategy, Clara, or it's us? It's not the market's fault, everybody. We need to take, if somebody can do this, you can do this too. Make sense? Julius, tell everybody, you know, you're having classes. Am I anything special as a trader? Everybody, you are going to meet other traders from all around the world, and they're going to tell you FXFreedom is making money, but it's not doing anything special. I mean anything. We are all the same. It's a learnable skill. It's not that difficult, but you must learn about yourself. Make sense? You must learn, oh, this is how my brain perceives the market. What are the rules of the Forex course 101 telling you? Julius, no, he's a common guy. Exactly, nothing special. Okay, everybody, our time is up. See you back tomorrow with another psychology series. Until tomorrow, stay strong and trade for freedom. And remember, it's not about the chart. It's about how you interpret the chart. Long, short, sideways, whatever. And then it's about what action you take upon your interpretation. So, if you are not making it after 1 year, 2 years of the Forex course 101, welcome to the club. And number 2, understand that it's normal because there is more to learn. Until tomorrow, stay strong, trade for freedom, don't trade for money.